dear friends. Welcome to Rim2 Storytelling. Today, we are so excited to share with you the first story in our new series, Motivational Tales for English Learners. This series is made just for you. Whether you are starting to learn English or looking for a little inspiration to brighten your day. Each short tale, only 5 to 10 minutes long, will help you in two beautiful ways. First, you will improve your English by listening to simple words and phrases, like "I can help" or "I will try," and you can practice speaking them with me. Second, every story brings a life lesson to motivate you, to help you grow, to remind you that you are stronger than you think. These tales are perfect for beginners, so you can learn English while feeling inspired. Whether you listen in the morning to start your day with hope or at night to relax with a meaningful story. In our first tale, called The Girl Who Spoke to the Sea, you will meet Mia, a shy girl who lives by the ocean. She has a secret fear, but one day a stranger needs her help. What will Mia do? Will she find her courage? Let's find out together. Take a deep breath, imagine the sound of waves, and let us begin. Mia lives in a small house near the sea, in a village where the air smells of salt and the sound of waves fills every morning. Her house is made of wood, painted white, with a little porch where she sits and watches the ocean. Every morning, she walks to the beach, her feet sinking into the warm sand, the waves whispering softly, as if they are calling her name. The sea stretches wide, its blue surface sparkling under the sun, and seagulls fly above, their cries echoing in the sky. Mia loves the sea. She feels calm when she is near it, but she has a fear that weighs on her heart: speaking English. She tries to say simple words like hello or see, but her voice shakes, her throat feels tight. She thinks, "I will sound silly. What if people laugh at me?" Her fear keeps her quiet, and she often sits alone on the beach, watching the waves, wishing she could be braver. One day, as Mia walks along the shore, the sun high in the sky, she sees a man standing near the water, looking lost. He holds a map in his hands, his face worried, his eyes searching the horizon. He turns to Mia and speaks in English, his voice gentle but urgent. "Where is the village?" Mia understands his words. She learned a little English at school, but she freezes. Her heart beats fast, like a drum in her chest, and her hands tremble. She wants to help. She knows the way to the village, but her fear whispers, "You cannot speak. You will fail." Mia looks down at the sand, her toes digging into it, unsure of what to do. The man waits, his eyes kind, but Mia feels the weight of her silence. Then, something changes. Mia takes a deep breath, the salty air filling her lungs, and she listens to the waves. The sea seems to whisper to her, "Be brave, Mia. You can do this." The sound of the waves is soft, steady, like a friend cheering her on. Mia looks up, her brown eyes meeting the man's, and she steps forward. She says, "I can help." Her voice is small, barely louder than the waves, but the words come out clear and true. The man smiles, a big, warm smile, and says, "Thank you." Mia feels a warmth in her heart, like the sun shining inside her, brighter than ever before. She points down the path, showing him the way, and the man nods, grateful, before walking away. From that day, Mia feels different. She speaks to the sea every morning, standing on the beach, the waves lapping at her feet. She says, "I will try." She practices English words, see, help, try, her voice growing stronger each day. The sea listens, its waves rolling in and out, as if it is proud of her. One day, she helps a group of visitors, saying, "Follow me," and they smile, their faces full of thanks. Mia knows she is braver now, and the sea, her friend, helped her find her courage. The sun sets, painting the sky orange, and Mia smiles, her heart light, her fear fading like the tide. Mia, the girl who spoke to the sea, was once so afraid to speak English. She thought her voice would sound wrong, that people would laugh, that she was not good enough. But one small step, saying "I can help" to a stranger on the beach, changed everything for her. That day, under the bright sun, with the waves whispering in her ears, Mia found her courage. She helped a man who was lost. But more than that, she helped herself. She learned to be brave, to try, even when she felt scared. Even when her heart raced like the wind on the sea. Her small act of speaking, though it felt so big to her, opened a new door, a door to confidence, to growth, to a brighter version of herself. This story teaches us something beautiful. You do not need to be perfect to start. You do not need to know every word or speak without mistakes to make a difference. Like Mia, you can take one small step, and that step will lead you to bigger things. Maybe you want to speak English, like Mia, or maybe you have a different dream, like painting a picture, writing a story, or meeting new friends. Whatever it is, the first step is often the hardest, but it is also the most important. Say to yourself, "I will try," and let that be your beginning. The sea taught Mia to be brave, and it can teach you too, through its steady waves, through its endless song, that trying is what matters, not being perfect. Think about Mia, standing on that beach, the sand warm under her feet, the sea sparkling before her. She was scared, her hands shook, her voice trembled, but she spoke anyway. And when she did, the man smiled, his gratitude shining in his eyes, and Mia felt a joy she had never known before. That joy came from trying, from stepping past her fear, from helping someone in a small but meaningful way. You can feel that joy too, in your own way. Maybe you will say one English word today, like hello to a friend, or thank you to a stranger. Maybe you will help someone like Mia did, or take a small step toward your dream. Each step, no matter how small, is a victory, a moment to be proud of, a moment that makes you stronger. The sea in Mia's village never stops moving, its waves rolling in and out, day after day, teaching us another lesson: keep going. Mia did not stop after that first day. She kept practicing, she kept speaking, and she grew braver with every word. You can do the same in your English journey, in your life journey. Take one step, then another, and soon you will look back and see how far you have come, just like Mia, who now smiles at the sea, her fear a distant memory, her heart full of courage. What is one small step you can take today? Maybe say one English word or help someone, like Mia. You are braver than you think, and the sea, the sky, the world, they are all cheering for you. Let us take a moment to reflect on Mia's story, the girl who spoke to the sea. She stood on that beach, the waves whispering to her, the sun shining above, and she found her courage. She said, "I can help," And those words changed her life. They gave her confidence, they gave her joy, and they showed her that she could do more than she ever thought possible. Now, as the sun sets in Mia's village, painting the sky with shades of orange and pink, the sea grows calm. Its waves slowing down as if it is resting after a day of cheering for Mia. The seagulls fly home, their cries fading, and the beach becomes quiet, a peaceful place where Mia's small victory lives on. A reminder that one step can lead to a brighter tomorrow. Let us practice some English, just like Mia did, so you can feel that same courage, that same joy. Mia learned a special phrase that helped her take her first step. I can help. Can you say it with me? Let us say it together, slowly. I can help. Very good. Let us say it one more time. I can help. Beautiful. This phrase is simple, but it holds so much power, just like it did for Mia when she spoke to the man on the beach. Now, let us try another phrase Mia used as she practiced with the sea. I will try. Say it with me. I will try. Wonderful. One more time. I will try. Perfect. These words, I can help and I will try, are your tools, your waves, your sea, to help you grow, to help you speak, to help you move forward, one step at a time. Now, I want you to think about your own journey, your own sea, your own waves. What is one small step you will take today? Maybe you will speak an English word like hello to a friend or thank you to someone you meet. Maybe you will try something new like reading a short story or writing a sentence in English. Or maybe, like Mia, you will help someone, even in a small way, and feel that warmth in your heart. Tell me in the comments below. I would love to hear your story, your step, your courage. If this tale inspired you, if it made you feel ready to try, please like this video and subscribe to Rim2 Storytelling. We have many more motivational tales for English learners waiting for you, each one with a new lesson, new words, and new inspiration to help you grow. As we say goodbye, imagine yourself standing on Mia's beach, the sand soft under your feet, the sea stretching wide before you, the waves whispering, "Be brave." Let Mia's story remind you that you can do amazing things, one step at a time, just like she did. Have a wonderful day full of small victories, or a peaceful night filled with dreams of courage and hope. Thank you for listening, dear friends, and I will see you in the next tale, under the same sky with the same sea, cheering for you. Keep trying, keep growing. You are on your way.